We are before the court martial. We appeared this morning for the bail application. Unfortunately, the prosecution said they were not ready to proceed or to respond to our submissions. Reason being they need to file some affidavits. And it's unfortunate and it's a setback because we served them over a month ago with our application, but the court was obliged to grant the adjournment to 25th of May for the further hearing of the respondent's side. So we have to wait until then. And two, we had 8 sureties, but only 5 of them were allowed to go through the checkpoint. That means Flavia Nabagabe Honorable and Honorable Aisha Kabanda and Honorable Nyanzi, brother Zake Francis Butebi were not allowed to go through. Probably they'll be allowed to go through at the next hearing. But for the record, it's now over 4 months since these people were arrested and detained and later remanded. They've not been tried. Their trial is not even in sight. And here we are. Yes, we have 4 of the applicants who are not only having grounds of the bail application, but they have specific grounds of medical attention. They are in need of medical attention. Naja was beaten at arrest, and he's bleeding, or he had some internal bleeding. Plus the other 3 that need urgent medical attention. We have presented the medical forms, but it's still within the courts to decide whether they consider that and release them on bail or not. Here's an introduction letter from the LC and his national ID. With your permission, I will introduce the second surety.
No, we can't. We are going to finish.
Okay.